Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello, Royal Family. I am back as I promised. You guys, I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll. All right, running a little late, but nevertheless, we're going to do these crown yeast rolls. You guys gonna get me in trouble because I love yeast rolls. I'm going to do them and then take them over to my sons. Now, of course, I'm gonna keep me two, but to keep from overindulging, I'm literally going to take them to my son so they can eat them. But anyway, happy Wednesday. Hope everyone is doing okay. Thanks to all of my new subscribers. And thanks to my ride or die subscribers. Before I get started, please like, share, and subscribe, you guys. And if there's anything you want to see me cook, put it down in the comments section. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments section. I won't know unless you ask me, all right? So with that being said, let's get this train on the tracks and let's get these yeast rolls done. All right, here we go. In this cup here, I have 1/2 cup of warm milk and 1 package of dry yeast. Make sure your milk is not too hot or it will kill your yeast. I did it like in 10-second intervals, and I think I did it twice. If you can stick your finger in the milk and it's warm to the touch, then you have the right temperature. If you stick it in and have to pull it out, that means your milk is too hot. All right, here we have 1 egg. We have 3 tablespoons of sugar. Here we have 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Here we have 3/4 teaspoons of sea salt. And here we have 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So what we're going to do is take this mixture here. And you guys, I am so mad. I had several packages of yeast, and the package I put in at first had expired. So I had to start over. I was like, ugh! Okay. And don't forget your dough hook, all right? So we're going to take the milk and the yeast. We're going to add it in. Okay. All right, I'm going to show you guys. Let me put this heavy cup down. Okay. There is the yeast and the milk. Next, we're going to add the sugar. We're going to add the oil. We're going to add the egg, the 1 egg, and we're going to add half of the salt, not all of it. So it's 3/4 teaspoons, so let's just do it halfway. And then we're going to add not all of the flour. Let's just do 1 cup right now. And always remember how to measure your flour. All right, let's do, this is a cup. All right, we're going to put the dough hook down and let it go. And I know you guys just don't want to sit here and see the dough hook going, so I will come back. Okay, Royal Family, here is our dough. Look at that. And I just love the way it smells. All right, I'm going to knead this probably, I'm going to say 10 times. And remember, if it gets sticky, just add a little bit at a time, okay? So in order to knead, you're going to just bring this up like this, and then push it back. Then turn it, push it back. And let's just do this about 10 times. You see that? Okay, push it, push it. It's really good exercise too. All right. And you want a smooth ball. Okay? So I will be back. This is a good workout too, you guys. I mean, a really good workout. All right. I will be back. Okay. I've kneaded the dough. I've kneaded the dough. Wow, what a workout. And I took some melted butter and I just, put it all around so it wouldn't dry out. And here I have a 6 deep cup of your cupcakes. I don't quite sure know the size, but I'll let you guys see it. And these are really deep, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to take 3 balls of the dough and put them in here. Then we're going to let them rise for about an hour. Then we'll bake them off. All right, I'll show you once I get them in. And I'm also, to try to get it even, I'm going to use this small cookie scoop. And it's the smallest one, next to the smallest one they have. I'll try to get that measurement for you. All right, let me get started of putting the dough into the cupcake. Okay, Royal Family, the cookie scoop did not work. It makes them too small. So I'm going to say just pull some off and do it like in a 1-inch ball. I tried to roll it. That don't work. So what we're going to have to do is just take it, tuck it under, like that, and then put it in the cupcake holder. So just keep going under and under until you get a nice ball, like that. So I'm gonna say a 1-inch ball. Okay, you see that? All right, then we'll put it in the cupcake tin. All right, Royal Family, here are the yeast dough that I made into 3 balls each and put in each cupcake holder. Now what we're going to do is take a wet towel and let these rise for about an hour. I'm going to put them in the oven. The oven is cold, but yet it's warm, if you know what I'm saying. So 1 hour, we're going to put these in the oven over with I'm sorry, you guys, a wet towel. And then we'll take them out, put butter on them, and then we'll bake these babies. Okay, family, our crown rolls has risen. You see that? So now we're going to brush them with melted butter and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And we're going to bake them 12 to 15 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. You see that glistening butter? And they rose beautifully. So when I come back, I will show you guys the finished presentation. All right, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the crown yeast rolls. You guys, these rolls are delicious. I will say this, they are not as light as your I want to say traditional dinner roll, but they will hold up to gravy, you know, all of the heavy stuff. But I'm going to change the recipe just a little. I did 1/2 cup of milk. I'm going to do a whole cup of milk. And maybe that will make them lighter. But they're still definitely a winner. And I want you to see how they crowned up. Can you see that? Okay, my presentation is falling to pieces. And here I just put some honey, some butter, and then I have this little cute butter knife. But I'm going to show you. Here is the dinner roll. And I slathered it with some butter. I want you guys to see this. You see what I mean? But it's still soft and pillowy. I mean, and very, very delicious. All right, let me dip a little this in the honey so you guys can see this. Can you see that? But the crown rolls are a winner. Yeast roll dinner. All right, I'm going in. Here we go again. Don't worry about double dipping in the honey. These will be gone tonight, I promise. But again, whoop. Here are the yeast crown dinner roll with all the honey dripping. Thank you guys for watching. Mrs. O will be back tomorrow. And tomorrow, I'm going to cook something for me. Then on Friday, we're going to do this luscious velvet cake. Not going to tell you what kind, but it'll be luscious. All right. God bless you, and I'll see you tomorrow.